Winter blooms that refuse to disappear. Transform your garden into a frozen paradise. Your garden doesn't have to become a wasteland when winter arrives. While most people watch their yards turn gray and dormant, you can create something extraordinary. Imagine stepping outside on a freezing morning to discover your garden bursting with color, vibrant blooms dancing against white snow, and flowers thriving where everyone thinks nothing could grow. That's not fantasy. That's completely possible with the right plants. William Scott here from Golden Age Gardening, and today we're revealing 25 stunning flowers that don't just survive winter, they absolutely thrive in it. Before we explore each beautiful plant, I want to ask you something. Have you ever thought about transforming your winter landscape? If this video speaks to you, please hit that subscribe button. Better yet, leave a comment telling us what color flowers you'd most love to see blooming in your winter garden. And don't forget to share this with anyone who's been thinking their yard is destined to look boring all season long. Understanding winter gardening basics. Let me share something crucial that many gardeners overlook. The secret to winter blooms isn't magic. It's knowledge combined with proper planning. When you understand how winter flowers work, you unlock a completely different gardening experience. The foundation of success starts with knowing your USDA Hardiness Zone. This information tells you what plants can genuinely survive the temperatures in your specific area. When you visit a nursery or garden center, don't just grab whatever looks pretty. Take time to read those care tags. They contain everything you need: sunlight requirements, water needs, and soil preferences. This small action prevents disappointment and saves both your money and effort. Here's another game changer. Timing matters tremendously. The best results come when you prepare everything during late fall, right before the first hard frost hits. Why? Because your plants need enough time to establish strong roots before the ground freezes solid. Think of it like giving them a head start before winter's challenges arrive. Different plants need different conditions. Some flourish in full shade, while others demand plenty of sunlight. Some need rich, moist soil, while others prefer sandy, well-draining earth. The variety available means you can find perfect winter flowers for virtually any spot in your yard, whether that's a sheltered corner or an exposed bed. Winter flower number 1. Iceland poppies. Let's begin with a flower that sounds like it belongs in a frozen landscape. Iceland poppies earned their name by thriving in the harsh, frigid conditions of their native homeland. These remarkable flowers seem to laugh at cold temperatures that would destroy most plants. What makes Iceland poppies so special? They bring genuine color to winter's typically drab palette. The flowers appear in cheerful shades that stand out dramatically against gray skies and white snow. In warmer regions, you might see blooms starting as early as mid-February or early March. The flowers have that elegant, delicate appearance while maintaining impressive toughness. Winter flower number 2. Snapdragons. Most people associate snapdragons with springtime, but here's a gardening secret. These flowers have a hidden talent. In milder climates, snapdragons maintain their brilliant colors well through autumn and into winter months. However, snapdragons have a specific preference. They absolutely despise intense heat and direct sunlight at its strongest. To keep your snapdragons happy during winter, plant them where they receive partial shade or complete shade throughout the day. This seemingly simple adjustment ensures they won't wilt or develop unsightly scorch marks on their petals. Winter flower number 3. Cornflowers. Here's something fascinating about cornflowers. In their wild state, farmers have considered them weeds for centuries. Yet when gardeners deliberately cultivate them, cornflowers transform into gorgeous additions to any landscape. The blue blooms of cornflowers add something special to a winter garden palette. They offer a color depth that many winter flowers cannot match. If you're planning to grow cornflowers from seed, timing is important. Plant your seeds approximately 6 to 8 weeks before you anticipate reaching peak bloom time. This works especially well in milder winter zones.
Winter flower number 4, grape hyacinths. Prepare yourself for something delightful. Grape hyacinths are tiny flowers with enormous personality. These little spikes emerge in shades of purple, white, or soft pink, and they carry something surprising, a fragrance that genuinely smells like grapes. These charming winter flowers begin their show during late winter, transitioning into early spring. Beyond their garden appeal, grape hyacinths make fantastic cut flowers for small arrangements. They bring both beauty and fragrance indoors during the coldest months. Winter flower number 5, winter heath. When you need a flower you can absolutely rely on, winter heath delivers reliability even in the most challenging cold climates. This is a workhorse plant that doesn't fail. Winter heath produces long-lasting blooms in pink and white tones, and the foliage remains evergreen throughout the season. Beyond flowers, this plant serves another purpose. It creates a dense ground cover that fills spaces beautifully. Whether you need reliable color or practical coverage, winter heath handles both tasks efficiently. Winter flower number 6, scilla. Sometimes the tiniest flowers make the biggest impact. Scilla produces absolutely gorgeous blooms in shades of blue that seem impossible for winter weather to support. What's the best way to showcase these flowers? Plant them in groups, particularly in rock gardens where their size becomes an advantage rather than a limitation. A collection of scilla creates a stunning visual effect that single plants cannot achieve. These little flowers pack surprising visual punch.
Winter flower number 7, starflower. Starflower, also recognized by its scientific name Iphion, carries history within its blooms. Colonial gardeners adored these flowers generations ago, and modern gardeners continue that tradition. These tiny flowers arrive in white, pink, or blue. The most effective planting strategy involves placing them in masses along walkway edges. Why? Because as winter fades and early spring approaches, these flowers release a lovely perfume. Positioning them where you naturally walk means you'll encounter that fragrance regularly. Winter flower number 8, Algerian iris. In regions with gentler winters, Algerian iris blooms can appear as early as December. The evergreen foliage stays attractive year-round, but the real treasure is the fragrance. These irises carry a distinctive scent that makes them worthwhile additions to your landscape. Plant them strategically along pathways and walkways where you'll notice their fragrance regularly. This placement strategy ensures you get maximum enjoyment from their blooms during winter months. Winter flower number 9, pansies and violas. Here's a practical truth about pansies and violas. They bloom consistently throughout winter in mild climate zones. In harsher climates, they might take a break, but often return energetically when spring arrives. Technically classified as annuals, many varieties demonstrate surprising longevity. They're known for self-seeding, meaning they'll often pop up again the following spring without any effort on your part. Certain varieties like cool wave pansies can persist through most of the winter season, even in moderate climates where conditions get quite challenging.
Winter flower number 10, snowdrops. Snowdrops, scientifically called galanthus, represent some of winter's most charming flowers. These delicate blooms earn their common name from their remarkable ability to blossom while snow still covers the ground. For snowdrops to perform their best, plant bulbs during fall months. These droopy-headed flowers look spectacular positioned at border fronts or nestled in rock gardens. They often begin flowering when winter conditions remain harsh, making them genuine symbols of spring's approach. Winter flower number 11, daffodils. Sunny disposition meets winter gardening when you plant daffodils. These cheerful flowers rank among the first bloomers of the season, sometimes appearing as early as February depending on your location. Here's a bonus feature that makes daffodils special. Rodents and other digging pests tend to leave them alone. They'll nibble plenty of other bulbs, but daffodil bulbs seem to have little appeal to wildlife. Plant your daffodil bulbs during fall to enjoy their blooms during late winter and early spring months.
Winter flower number 12, hellebores. Prepare yourself for true elegance. Hellebores, sometimes called Lenten roses, possess delicate appearance combined with remarkable toughness. They bloom around late winter, depending on your specific location, often coinciding with Lent in some regions. The waxy green foliage remains attractive throughout the entire year. The flowers themselves make excellent cut specimens for indoor arrangements. These perennials prove the principle that beauty doesn't require fragility. Hellebores are genuinely tough plants wearing delicate costumes. Winter flower number 13, winterberry. Though not technically a flower, winterberry deserves inclusion in any serious winter garden plan. This deciduous holly variety produces vibrant red berries that provide stunning visual interest. Here's important knowledge. You need both male and female plants to get berry production. This pollination requirement means planning ahead, but the reward justifies the effort. Those bright berries transform your winter landscape into something truly special. Winter flower number 14, lily of the valley shrub. Expect surprise and delight with lily of the valley shrubs. These plants bloom at moments when you've nearly given up hope for new growth, typically during mid to late winter.
The flower display is genuinely stunning. Hundreds of bell-shaped blooms in white or pink colors hang delicately from fine stems on this evergreen shrub. The effect is whimsical and magical, transforming ordinary winter days into something memorable. Winter flower number 15, winter aconite. When winter fatigue sets in, winter aconite arrives to lift your spirits. These petite flowers frequently bloom while snow still covers much of the landscape, providing hope during bleak conditions. The buttercup yellow blooms serve an important ecological function. They attract early-season pollinators returning from dormancy. Additionally, deer, rabbits, and digging rodents consistently leave these flowers untouched, making them reliable choices for gardens where wildlife browsing is a concern.
Winter flower number 16, witch hazel. Whimsy defines witch hazel shrubs and their charming winter appearance. These adorable plants produce wispy, almost ethereal flowers in yellow or orange tones during late winter or very early spring. The flowers appear before any foliage emerges, making the blooms the sole focus of attention. Be strategic when purchasing witch hazel. Ensure you're buying the winter flowering variety. Multiple types exist, and not all bloom during winter months. Winter flower number 17, primrose. Primroses rank among the earliest perennials to bloom as winter transitions towards spring. These dainty flowers represent hope and renewal during the coldest seasons. The variety available is astonishing. Hundreds of different primrose types exist. This abundance means you can find varieties perfectly suited to your specific USDA Hardiness Zone. Take time to select types that will genuinely survive winter conditions in your region. Winter flower number 18, camellia. Prepare yourself for magnificence. Camellias produce enormous blooms that remind viewers of roses, yet they thrive during winter months when roses rest. Bloom timing varies significantly by variety, but generally camellia flowering extends from late fall through mid-spring. The key to success involves selecting winter blooming varieties that tolerate the specific winter conditions in your geographic region. Choose correctly, and you'll have stunning flowers exactly when you need them most. Winter flower number 19, Glory of the Snow. This charming bulb lives up to its poetic name. Glory of the Snow blooms during late winter, frequently when snow still blankets nearby landscape features. For best results, plant these bulbs during autumn months. The visual impact increases dramatically when you mass them at garden edges or beneath established trees. The flowers naturally spread and multiply yearly, becoming more impressive with each passing season. Winter flower number 20, Mahonia. This evergreen shrub brings drama and structure to winter landscapes. The leathery frond-like foliage creates visual interest, but the real show happens when bright yellow flower sprays emerge. Mahonia typically blooms during late fall or early winter months. Before purchasing, check the plant information carefully. Like many plants, certain Mahonia varieties tolerate winter conditions, while others do not. Confirm that your selection can genuinely survive your region's winters.
Winter flower number 21, ornamental kale. Beauty comes in unexpected packages with ornamental kale. The ruffled foliage remains vibrant well into winter and mild climate zones. The leaves display striking shades of pink or yellow, providing exactly the color that fading winter gardens desperately need. Many gardeners don't realize ornamental kale makes an attractive cut flower for mixed winter bouquets. Use it creatively beyond simple garden display. Winter flower number 22, winter jasmine. Cheery brightness defines winter jasmine flowers. The brilliant yellow blooms feel like sunshine during dreary winter days. This vining shrub blooms during late winter into early spring. While not as fragrant as certain other jasmine species, it still brings genuine joy and color to landscapes needing seasonal lift. The versatile growth habit allows training along trellises or structures. Winter flower number 23, cyclamen. While often sold as houseplants, cyclamen proves itself an exceptional winter ground cover in mild climates. The flowers arrive in pink, white, lavender, and fuchsia shades. For optimal growth, these plants prefer winter sunshine but summer shade. Planting them beneath deciduous trees provides perfect conditions. The trees remain bare during winter, allowing sunlight through, while leafing out during summer to provide necessary shade. Winter flower number 24, crocus. These petite flowers create magical moments when they emerge through fresh snow. Crocus flowers bring hope and delicate beauty to harsh winter landscapes. However, crocus bulbs face particular challenges.
Rabbits and digging rodents consider them delicious treats. To protect your crocus investment, plant them inside chicken wire cages for protection. Alternatively, plant pest-resistant bulbs like daffodils nearby as diversionary offerings. Winter flower number 25, Daphne. Close your winter flowering exploration with Daphne shrubs. In mild climate zones, these plants provide both visual beauty and aromatic reward. The fragrance carries fruity notes that remind gardeners spring approaches inevitably. The pretty flowers combined with this distinctive scent make Daphne special. These late winter to early spring bloomers bridge the seasonal gap between dormancy and rebirth.
Planning your winter garden success. Now that you've explored 25 options, let's discuss practical planning. Success doesn't happen by accident. It requires thoughtful strategy and proper timing. Start your planning during late summer. Visit local nurseries and gather information about which plants thrive in your specific zone. Read care tags thoroughly. Take notes about light exposure in various garden areas. Understanding your yard's microclimates helps place plants where they'll genuinely succeed. Prepare soil properly during early fall. Work in organic matter and ensure proper drainage. Many winter flowers prefer soil that drains well rather than remaining soggy. Testing your soil and amending accordingly prevents frustration later. Purchase bulbs and plants during fall months. Don't wait until just before winter arrives. Early purchasing ensures wider selection and gives plants time to establish before harsh conditions arrive. Plant everything before the ground freezes hard. Maintaining your winter flowers. Once planted, winter flowers require less fussing than summer plants, but they're not completely hands-off. Water thoroughly after planting, even though temperatures remain cool. Mulching around plants provides insulation and moisture retention. During winter itself, watering needs decrease significantly. However, during warm winter spells when temperatures rise, check soil moisture. Some plants might need water during unexpected warm periods. Return to regular dormancy once cold returns. Remove any dead foliage or spent flowers as you notice them. This cleanup prevents disease and keeps your garden looking intentional rather than neglected. Some gardeners enjoy leaving seed heads for winter interest in wildlife food sources. The deeper benefits of winter gardening. Beyond simple aesthetics, winter gardening offers genuine psychological benefits. When everything around you appears dormant and gray, stepping outside to discover blooming flowers provides emotional lift. This color and life during bleak months improve mental well-being. Winter gardening also supports wildlife. Bees and other pollinators emerge on warm winter days seeking nectar. Your winter flowers provide essential food sources for these important creatures during challenging seasons. You're not just beautifying your space, you're contributing to ecological health. Winter flowers extend the gardening season itself. Rather than experiencing months of inactivity, winter gardeners remain engaged year-round. This continuous involvement brings consistent satisfaction and keeps gardening skills sharp. Your winter garden awaits creation. You now understand which plants thrive in cold, how to prepare properly, and where to position each variety. The knowledge barrier has dissolved. Don't let another winter pass without attempting these gorgeous flowers. Start small if you prefer. Maybe introduce 5 to 10 varieties this first year. Build confidence and experience. Next year, expand further. William Scott from Golden Age Gardening encourages you to take action. Share this video with gardening friends who've resigned themselves to winter gray. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening wisdom throughout the year. Comment below telling us which winter flowers excite you most. Like this video to help other gardeners discover these possibilities. Your winter garden isn't a fantasy, it's a reality waiting for your creative touch. Let's build something beautiful together.